Best deals.
1. Bati cooker. The cooking method used by this Bati oven allows you to cook food with less oil while maintaining full flavor. Enjoy your favorite grilled and roasted dishes in a healthier way. Craving the smoky, flavorful taste of food? Now you can recreate that experience at home with the Bati Maker oven. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Container. Explore a world of options that keep your meals fresh, organized, and always in style. Kitchenware collection offers the perfect blend of functionality. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Fruit basket. Comes with a tightly woven fine stainless steel net cover that acts as a natural barrier against flies, bugs, mosquitoes, and dust. The lid fits securely, ensuring your fruits, vegetables, or snacks stay hygienic and untouched, even when kept outdoors. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Dokla maker. Tripoli induction bottom retains heat longer, reducing gas usage because your fuel bill deserves a break too. Heat-resistant handle and knob let you cook comfortably and safely. One pot, endless possibilities. Dokla, idlis, momes, khandvi, patra, loko, up, modak, kothimir vadi, bhapa sandesh, steamed dumplings and more. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Lemon squeezer. It has a heavy design for a long-lasting operation. It is designed for comfortable gripping and easy squeezing, convenience for easy cleaning after use. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Canisters. Stainless steel is known for its durability, corrosion resistance, and non-reactivity with food, making it a safe option for storing various types of food. Comes with airtight or leak-proof lids, ensuring that your food stays fresh. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Paneer press. Designed to help you create perfect homemade paneer every time. It is crafted with efficiency and convenience in mind. It features an efficient paneer pressing mechanism that ensures your paneer maintains a consistent texture and firmness. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Spice box. Made from premium quality stainless steel, this masala box ensures long-lasting durability, maintaining its shine and functionality over time. The odorless and BPA-free material keeps your spices fresh. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Bowl. Dishwasher safe, easy to wash and clean. Stackable into each other. Can be served with vegetables, curd, salad, dessert, dal, curry. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Canister. Has been beautifully designed to add grace to your dining experience. Easy to clean and wash, they have very exotic silver shining. The compact size of Kitchen Expert small canister or snacks box makes it easy to store in kitchen cupboards. When not in use, smaller container can be stacked inside bigger container, saving lot of storage space. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Plates. Beautifully designed to add grace to your dining experience. Easy to clean and wash, they have very exotic silver shining. An ideal plates to serve various food products on dining table. Plate set improves the dinner table setting. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Lemon squeezer. Made with ultra-strong high-quality alloy, with the perfect metal composition for no corrosion or rusting and unbreakable tank status. This easy-to-use and easy-to-store lemon squeeze tool is built like a tank. It will last literally a lifetime, no more bulky, hard-to-clean juices crowding the decor of your home bar or kitchen. This Citrus Press Lemon Crusher has you covered. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Kadai. Its triple-layer construction, from base to rim, leaves no chance of food burning and food sticking to the cookware surface. Cooking healthy food in this Tripoli kadai is thus easier, hassle-free, and without any chemicals. Its even heat distribution factor helps to preserve 85% of food nutrients. Even with less oil, you are sure to get excellent cooking results. Cooking a variety of dishes including gravies, curries, fried rice, noodles in large quantities, and also deep frying samosas, pakora. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Dosa tawa. Tri-ply stainless steel cookware retains the advantages of cooking on stainless steel surfaces while eliminating the disadvantages of sticking and burning. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Fork. Made from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel for durability and hygiene. Perfect for tea-time snacks, fruits, desserts, appetizers, and more. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Water container. The elegant look of stainless steel makes this an item for display at social gatherings, parties and even in the break room at work. A great investment for any domestic or commercial kitchen. Effortless post-picnic cleanup with the hotpot's non-stick surface. PFOA free for a safe and healthy cooking experience. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Storage container. Made from high-quality polished stainless steel, the container is sturdy, rust-resistant, and features an elegant design with deep silver lines. This large 12-inch stainless steel drum has a 10 kg capacity, which makes it ideal for storing kitchen essentials with ease. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Cutting board. Has excellent wear resistance and heat resistance. The 2.5 cm wide right angle side and the countertop form an angle of 90 degrees, which can perfectly fit the kitchen tabletop, making the cooking process easier and more convenient. While increasing its stability, it also effectively protects the countertop. After use, only a piece of cloth is required for simple cleaning. Board is constructed from the highest grade stainless steel, is environmentally friendly. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Idiyappam maker. Easily makes idiyappam, murukka, chikli, noodles, sev, and namkeen at home, all in one powerful tool. High-quality steel chikli maker machine designed for long-term use, rust-free and easy to clean after every use. Comes with multiple sieves, discs to shape different snacks like murukku, sev, noodles, idiyappam and more. Ergonomic handle design provides firm grip and pressure control while pressing chikli, sev, and noodle dough. Ideal noodle maker machine and idiyappam press for home kitchens, make traditional snacks quickly and effortlessly. Made from 100% food-grade stainless steel. Easy press mechanism that eliminates the need for manual turning. Comes with 15 sieves to make different shapes of delicacies. This idiyappam maker machine, chikli maker machine steel, and noodles maker machine lets you create a variety of delicacies like murukka, sev, idiyappam, gathiya, and pasta, all with one tool. The murukka maker stainless steel comes with 15 differently shaped sieves for preparing snacks such as chikli, sev, papadi, nulputtu, and more, allowing you to unleash your creativity in the kitchen. Includes a storage container for all jallies, keeping your set organized and reducing the risk of losing parts while saving space in your kitchen. Product link is given in the 19th link.